loves. So I decided I'm gonna film a little crafting area type art sewing area. If you hear noise in the background, my son is outside with my husband and my daughter is here knitting. But anyways, yeah, I haven't like completely finished it 100%, but this is pretty much how it's gonna be. This is in front of my living room window. I got tired of being just in my room by myself, so I brought it down here. My husband is currently making me another table like this one. He made this one, but he's making the exact same one so I can put it there and have the table extended, and that way if I need to move it or, you know, do anything with it, I can do that. And I want to end up painting this one white, and the same thing with the other one, but for now it just stays in the natural wood color, which I also love, so no big deal. Just a little quick tour. I have some scrap fabric because I am in the middle of sewing some things and little projects. This is for my little what is it called, for my diffuser. It's right there. I got it off of Amazon. I'll link it down below if you're interested. It works great, and then plus it has a remote and timer on it and just lights. Perfect. And then here's Scarlett. She's in her little basket, her little queen one. And then down there below I have just a little drawer that holds some pin. I have these coasters for when I have a candle on or anything hot. I usually end up putting that stuff there, like even a hot glue gun. These work great. And then this basket just holds a bunch of extra knits. There's Spotty Dotty. There's pictures I need to get framed, just some crafts and things I need to put away. It just usually ends up there. And then this is medication I need to take. And then this is just some fluff because we're making some pillows and other DIYs. Back here I have a mirror, and then on my desk I just have this lamp. I got this cup at Dollar Tree. I still haven't washed it, but I thought it was so cute. My favorite princess is Belle, so when I saw Belle I was like, yes, let me have that. And then I was joking around, that's me and my kids. I got that at a Daiso. And then here's a candle. Right now this is a Better Homes and Gardens. Lime and eucalyptus, smells divine. I love it. Then this little, what do you want to call it, like shelving thing. My friend gave it to me. Excuse the mud, my kids and shoes and all that. Like I said, we're in the middle of fixing up our house, so it's a kind of a modge podge of things around. But anyways, I got this section at least taken care of. So these boxes are from Hobby Lobby. I did have to order them online because I'm not going out right now with this whole COVID thing. So I got it that way. And then I have this little bag from the Paper Studio, which I love. This little spray right here, this little bottle actually smells like rose. It's like a room spray, but I just keep it there. And then I have this little DIY project I did with roses because I am obsessed also with Beauty and the Beast. That is like my favorite princess, so everything you're gonna see is some way related with floral and roses and Beauty and the Beast and Paris. That's my thing. And then here are my, well, it's my little album that I got from my friend in Israel. These are my planners, my Louis Vuittons, my other agendas. I have a coloring book. This is Little Susie's Zoo. Yes, I like to color. So anyways, here are all my planners. This is my skinny one that I love. I go to daily. This is an old diary of mine. I keep it because it just brings a lot of good memories. And anyways, it's funny to read some of the stuff I would write in there. And then this is actually a recipe book. And this also has like the floral theme inside. I won't take it out because I have, you know, all this stuff going on. And then I have a notepad back here, and then two of the little skinny mini little notepads from Happy Planner. I have this, which is actually a light. I'll show you. The batteries at the back are like gonna fall, and I got this like at a Dollar Tree, but it just works at night or, you know, whatever, in case the light goes out, God forbid. But I have that there. And then these little shoes are from one of the dolls my daughter has, I think from Happily Ever After, I think. And then this is for my camera. And then below that I have this shelf. I have my little teddy bear from Paris, ooh la la. And then all of my favorite absolute must-have washi tapes are right here in this little container that I did get at, I believe Dollar Tree. Yeah, I did. It was from Dollar Tree. Or, yeah, Dollar Tree for sure. Sorry, guys. And then it just holds all of my favorite ones. And then, obviously, these right here, anything Paris. Right here I have my little sticky page flags, and then these are two containers I just didn't have anything to put in there. But this just has a bunch of gold and silvery and the real shiny glittery tape, washi tape. And then back here I have just some more stickers and extra little things that I haven't used, and same thing back there. I just keep them there because those are the things I want to go to. And then the refills for my planner, this little notebook, again Beauty and the Beast theme, and then this little like pencil box. I just have a couple of pens, and then this pen right here with Belle on it. This is the set that goes to the journal I have up here. And so I just keep those little things there. And then in here I have just a little box with an eraser. And this is Disney Princess Ariel. I was looking for Belle when they didn't have any. So in here the only thing I have is stickers in this box. In here I have more sticker books. And then in this page I have washi tape. As you can tell, nothing, you know, too drastic. That's why I have this other washi tape on top. In case, you know, I'm doing my planners, I just pull those two out together. Below that I have a teacup. Obviously, as you can see, I have one of these little cushions for needles and all that. These are some sticker pictures from my son. He made this little jar at school last school year, which was, I want to say, first grade. And so that was super cute. Then I have my little Belle makeup bag. I'm actually using this as a planner goodie type of bag. I have a bunch of miscellaneous things that I use on the daily. Then here I have this little drawer, and it just holds all my pen. I got this one at Target. Above it I have glue and some tape back there, clear tape, some push pins, and then in a little bag with some pens and little miscellaneous things to write with. Here's my other pen collection thing. I have more pens, you guys. I'm obsessed. But I just keep several scissors, pencils, and just, you know, stuff like that. And then I have my whiteout. So getting back to this box that you see here, I have this like little bag. Like they sell them anywhere, but I just added the essentials that I need because lately I've been sewing and crafting and all that. And so this fabric right here, this teacup, by the way, isn't it cute? I love teacup sets. That's another thing about me. But I have these fabrics already. They're pre-cut. Unfortunately, my little sewing machine gave out on me, which was that little one. So I'm waiting for the new one. But these are pre-cut and ready to go for a new mask that I'm going to be making. I've been into that lately and they've been working great. And so in this box, so I got this one at Home Goods. It has a unicorn on top. It was for my daughter, but because I needed a place to keep a lot of, you know, the extra things for like when you're sewing and all that, I actually grabbed it. And so I owe my daughter a box. But and then I have this little can. It's for coins and all that, and it's Paris theme, obviously, because I'm obsessed. The very bottom drawer just has some storage bags, because once I finish a mask or I'm making one, I wash my hands. I, you know, make sure that no dust, nothing comes on it, around it. I'm very clean with it. So I have that. I have my little sewing machine, which is going to be for my daughter. And then I have my iron, because when you're making masks or any project, you need to have an iron. And then this is another little, I guess like a sugar holder type thing. I have it for decor. My mom actually gave this to my daughter, but I have it here for now. Then here I have my Dolce & Gabbana purse, because it's too pretty not to have here, just to look at. And then here I just have some more fabric that I ordered off of Hobby Lobby. And then this chest holds all the fabric in here. And also, again, it's from the same little collection from the one from At Home, and it just has like that really pretty unicorn girly vibe. So I'm all about that. And so that is all that I have down there. And then next to this at the bottom, excuse the mess here, I just have that box which actually needs to go to the car, just some miscellaneous things. And then I have one of these little small ironing boards, because like I said, when I make masks and all that, so this one unfolds, you can hang it up and all that. Right here it has that little hook. But I just have it here for now till I figure out a good place to keep it at. But yeah, that is my little, that's my little planner area. And then here, obviously, as you saw, I have FC Dallas, because that is my home team and we're just FC Dallas fans. So yeah, you guys, like I said, I'm sorry I don't have a link to this shelf thing, because like I said, my friend gave it to me, but I just could not pass it up when she said, you want it? I was like, yes, please. And so she was kind enough in giving it to me. So that's just my little area where I keep the main things. I mean, there's a lot more that I have and that I need to go through, but as I am in quarantine life and decluttering and trying to keep healthy and sane and just give my house a new vibe. This is what I've been doing. And so yeah, like I said, this is in my living room, and excuse all this mess, but I've just been working on this, and that is my little go-to. So again, thank you so much for being here. If y'all have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. Again, I appreciate your time. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave a comment down below letting me know what your favorite planner, crafting, sewing item is, and also what you're doing to keep healthy and safe during this time in quarantine and staying at home, what your favorite hobby is. And also, if you want to follow me at Paula Life 327 or Housewife Planner, where I share a lot of my planner, daily posts, and just what I'm doing on a day-to-day basis. Follow me at both of my Instagram accounts. I would more than greatly appreciate it. So anyways, you guys, thank you so much. Stay safe, wash your hands, please be responsible and wear a mask. And if you don't have a mask, let me know and we can work something out and I can get you one. So anyways, thank you so much. I love y'all. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.